The Supreme Court doesn't want you to notice something that will change the fabric of our country. They're preparing to end voting rights as we know them. The Republican-appointed justices have decided it's time to fully destroy the 1965 Voting Rights Act. That's right, destroy the law that ensures equal protection in voting in America.
Today is a triumph for freedom.
60 years ago, the Voting Rights Act finally ended Jim Crow and transformed the country into a multiracial democracy, albeit an imperfect one. For years, the Supreme Court has been dismantling the Voting Rights Act.
So under the landmark Voting Rights Act, changes to voting laws in these 9 states required advance approval by the Justice Department. But not anymore.
Now, Republican lawyers are attacking what's left of the law by arguing that protecting minority voters is actually discrimination against white voters. Here's what you need to know. In the most recent term, the justices heard a redistricting case out of Louisiana.
Justices later this year will decide whether to leave in place Louisiana's congressional map that includes 2 majority black districts.
So Louisiana's population is a third black, but the Republican legislature drew a map with only 1 majority black district. 2 courts slapped that map down as a violation of the Voting Rights Act. So Louisiana drew a second congressional map with 2 black majority districts. That should have been the end of the saga. But a group of non-black voters sued, arguing that the consideration of race in drawing that map was a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. That's a messed up argument. Now, the constitutional amendments that were meant to ensure political equality are being twisted to bring back white supremacy.
This act flows from a clear and simple wrong. Its only purpose is to right that wrong.
Last term, rather than decide this case, the court punted on the final day of opinions in June. Then, it announced it would rehear the case in the coming term. It's clear the justices are preparing to take us back to a time when elected officials at all levels of government were white and the rights of minorities were trampled. And remember, not all gerrymanders are enacted by authoritarians, but authoritarians do use gerrymandering to rig elections and hold on to power. You can read more of my reporting at motherjones.com.